How to fix Indosat mobile hotspot error. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix Indosat mobile hotspot error. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are using an Indosat Career SIM card and if you're not being able to project your mobile hotspots, it is very simple. The first is make sure that you have taken the data plan. So if you have not taken a data plan, which means you do not have network connection yourself, and in that case you cannot share your network to others in the first place. So you have to make sure that you have taken your data plan. Once you've made sure that you have indeed subscribed to a data plan, you can try to restart your device depending upon whether you're using Android or iPhone. You can also simply go to settings. Then you can simply scroll down and go to general management depending upon the phone. Go to reset and tap on reset mobile network settings and select your Indosat SIM card from there. After you've done that, you can also try going to your connections tab. Ensure your data is working first properly on your device. Only after that, go to the mobile hotspot, turn on mobile hotspot from there. And if you go to mobile hotspot settings, you can find a hotspot password. So make sure that other people are being able to connect to your hotspot. So hopefully that would help you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.